When electrical boxes are set too far back from the finished wall surface, several solutions can bring them into alignment. Arc shields are plastic spacers designed to extend the depth of plastic electrical boxes. They are particularly useful when a drywall ring is too far recessed. They offer additional clearance for wire connections and device installation. Arc shields are available in various sizes, providing flexibility for different setback depths. Their installation is generally straightforward, making them a convenient option. Added depth rings are similar in function to arc shields, serving to extend the depth of electrical boxes. However, they are typically constructed from metal, offering increased durability. These rings come in materials like galvanized steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, each offering different levels of corrosion resistance and strength. While added depth rings are sturdier than arc shields, they tend to be more expensive. The choice between arc shields and added depth rings often depends on the specific application and the desired level of durability. Besides arc shields and added depth rings, several other options address the issue of recessed electrical boxes. Firstly, drywall extensions are longer drywall rings designed to provide extra depth. These extensions replace standard drywall rings, offering a simple solution when a slightly longer ring is sufficient. However, they might not be suitable for all situations, particularly when the setback is significant. Secondly, box extenders are metal or plastic extensions that attach to the back of existing electrical boxes. These extenders increase the overall depth of the box, providing more room for wiring and device installation. Box extenders can be a cost-effective solution, but they might not offer as much additional space as other methods. Thirdly, recessed electrical boxes are designed for installation in finished walls, eliminating the need for added depth rings or spacers altogether. These boxes offer a clean and professional finish. Recessed electrical boxes are typically more expensive than other solutions, but can be a worthwhile investment for certain applications. When deciding on the best solution, consider several factors. These include the depth of the setback, the type of wiring and devices being installed, the desired level of durability, and the budget. Arc shields are a good choice for many common situations. They are lightweight, easy to install, and provide adequate space for wire connections. They are also widely available and affordable. Added depth rings offer enhanced durability for heavy-duty applications. Drywall extensions are suitable for minor setbacks, while box extenders provide a cost-effective way to increase box depth. Recessed electrical boxes offer a premium solution for a clean and professional installation. A product comparison reveals key differences between arc shields and added depth rings. In terms of material, arc shields are made of plastic, while added depth rings are constructed from metal. The cost of arc shields is generally more affordable compared to added depth rings, which tend to be more expensive. Arc shields are known for their ease of installation, making them a user-friendly option. Added depth rings are also relatively easy to install, but the metal construction may require more effort. The durability of arc shields is satisfactory for most applications. Added depth rings offer greater durability due to their metal construction. Arc shields provide adequate space for typical wiring connections, while added depth rings offer more space, accommodating larger wire bundles or devices. Arc shields are suitable for most situations where an electrical box needs to be extended, while added depth rings are better suited for heavy-duty applications where increased durability is required. Electrical work involves safety precautions, and consulting with a qualified electrician is recommended. Ensure that all work complies with local electrical codes and regulations.